morning. You're listening Nishi Sharma, your news anchor from Lavara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 21st June from around the world. Himachal Pradesh CM Jai Ram Thakur said that I will appeal everyone to celebrate International Yoga Day with their families at their homes today in view of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. LAC phase off. Will India side with the West against China? A test is at hand. For years, the United States and its allies have tried to persuade India to become a closer military and economic partner in confronting China's ambitions, painting it as a chance for the world's largest democracy to counterbalance the largest autocracy. India-China face-off updates. China's claim over Galwan Valley exaggerated and untenable, India says. China has claimed sovereignty over the Galwan region that India trashed as exaggerated and untenable. India has also moved some fighter aircrafts to forward bases facing China. IAF determined to deliver won't let sacrifice of braves of Galwan go in vain, Air Chief. Indian Air Force IAF Chief RKS Bhadoria on Saturday said that sacrifice of the brave of Galwan would not go in vain after the killing of 20 Indian soldiers in a violent clash with China on June 15 in Ladakh. In spite of unacceptable Chinese action after agreements that reached during military talks and resulted loss of life, all efforts are underway to ensure that the current situation at LAC is resolved peacefully, the Chief of Air Staff said in Hyderabad on Saturday. PMO's issue clarification over Modi's comments that no one entered Indian territory. The government on Saturday said that attempts are being made to give mischievous interpretations to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remarks at all-party meeting that no one has entered Indian territory or captured any military post while referring to the Galwan Valley clash in eastern Ladakh. International flights. India considers travel bubbles on country-by-country basis. Domestic fare cap may go beyond August 24. India will from next month look at creating travel bubbles with countries that allow access to its citizens and vice versa, while immediately scaling up the Vande Bharat Mission VBM repatriation exercise. Coronavirus update. LG's reservations over home isolation resolved, says APP government. India saw another record for highest number of COVID cases in day 14,516 that took the country's total to 3,95,048. Chennai has been put under another spell of total lockdown till June 30, along with 3 other districts to curb the spread of virus. Gautam Buddha Nagar reports 41 new COVID cases today, taking the total number of positive cases to 1,369, UP Health Department said. In India, total confirmed cases are 3,95,048 and 12,948 deaths. 120 new COVID-19 cases in Punjab tally 3,952, toll rise to 98 with 6 more deaths. India series will be incredible special. Can't wait to play Steve Smith. Star batsman Steve Smith is looking forward in India's tour of Australia, saying he can't wait to play in the much anticipated series which will be incredibly special. Australia hints at Chinese cyber attack. Japan, Vietnam to rely by Beijing. India isn't the only country in China's crosshair right now. On Friday, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said his government and his private sector entities in the country had been under a sustainable cyber attack by a state actor, a hint at China. Ring of Fire solar eclipse 2022 occurred today. A rare celestial event, annular solar eclipse, which is popularly known as the Ring of Fire eclipse, will be visible on Sunday in India at 10. I, Nishi Sharma, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.